Hello everyone, a warm welcome in my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss 25 Gynae and OBG questions related to nursing officer exam. Let's start. A woman in labor is known as parturient. Parturient means when a female is giving birth to any individual, that is parturient. And the process of giving birth to the individual is known as parturition. 1 tab of iron ferrous sulfate contains 60 mg of elemental iron and 15 mg of absorbable iron. The diet that a female has to take during pregnancy is additional 300 kilocalorie per day. Increased level of alpha fetoprotein, it indicates neural tube defect, multiple pregnancy and anterior abdominal wall defect. If the alpha fetoprotein level is decreased, the child may suffer from Down syndrome. The commonest lie is longitudinal and commonest presentation is cephalic. What do you mean by lie? Lie is the relationship of the long axis of the fetus with the long axis of the mother, whereas the presentation is the anatomical part that is closest to the pelvic inlet of the birth canal. First stage of labor is also known as cervical stage of dilatation. That means in which true labor pains and dilatation of the cervix is taking place in the first stage. Natural method of contraception is breastfeeding or lactational amenorrhea. Universal attitude of the fetus is flexion. So what do you mean by attitude? Attitude is the fetal posture during the labor. Second stage of labor include the complete dilation of the cervix and the expulsion of fetus. Complete dilation of the cervix is 10 cm till the expulsion of the fetus. After expulsion of the fetus till the placenta is delivered, that is the third stage of labor. Most common cause of postpartum hemorrhage or PPS is atonic uterus. Third stage of labor include expulsion of fetus ends and the expulsion of placenta. Placenta supply oxygen to the fetus at a rate of 8 ml per kg per minute. Placenta is having 2 umbilical artery and 1 umbilical vein. Weight of non-pregnant uterus is 50 to 60 gram. At term during pregnancy, weight of uterus is increasing because of hypertrophy and hyperplasia and it becomes 1000 gram. At 16 week of period of gestation, fetal height is between the midway between the pubic symphysis and the umbilicus. Commonest position of the fetus is LOA, that is left occiput anterior. MTP Act came into existence in April 1972. Diagnostic feature of Hiadetifomb mole is grape-like vesicle or into the vagina, and it is a disease of placenta and the chorion. It is also known as Hiadetifomb mole is also known as vesicular mole, in which the size of the uterus is more than expected for the normal amenorrhea. In placenta previa, the characteristic feature of vaginal bleeding are painless, causeless and the recurrent bleeding. The female will be having any bright red in color. Drug of choice for eclamptic fit is magnesium sulfate. Most common predisposing factor in abruptio placenta is hypertension during pregnancy. Abruptio placenta means there is sudden premature separation of placenta from the implanted placenta, that is abruptio placenta. Alarming sign of preeclampsia is decreased urine output and blurred vision. Clamping of cord in a newborn is done with the help of Cocker forceps. Instrument used to measure length of uterine cavity is uterine sound. So these are the 25 questions related to Gynae and OBG. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos and press the bell icon to get the notification. Thank you.